Hey guys, Andrew King here from AndrewDoesReviews.com. Welcome to my Thriive review. I'm here inside the sales page and today I'm going to give you full demo and a run through on what this is and how it works. I'm also going to share with you the full details, the pricing, the upsells, and whether you should pick them up or not. And I got you covered with the best bonus package that you can get your hands on if you decided that you want to pick up Thriive through the link down below in the description. Now, in a nutshell, Thriive is a brand new cloud-based app or software that will allow you to find micro niche keywords. Now, why do you want to target micro niches? Because these micro niches have very low competition and they have traffic coming into it 24/7 365. So what you're going to be able to do is you're going to leverage these micro niche keywords, and Thriive is going to create a website full with content around these micro niche keywords, and you'll be able to get traffic and you can drive that traffic wherever you want. So basically you're going to send traffic to that article, and inside the article you can include different affiliate links, different offers. You can promote whichever you want. This is a brand new idea. I have never seen it before in the make money online niche, and I think that Thriive is a really good software. So if you are interested, then definitely stick with me during this review. I'm going to break down everything. We're going to go inside the software in just a second. If you'd like to pick up Thriive anytime during watching this review video, all you have to do is get yourself to this page via clicking on the first link down below in the description. Once you are on this page, you want to scroll down, click on one of these blue buttons. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to access all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick it up. But you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear. Now, bear in mind, all my bonuses are exclusive to me. They are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So if you would like access to Thriive plus all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly, once you pick it up, you have to pick it up through my bonus page. My first bonus, I'm going to give you 7 done for you affiliate campaigns. Now, how will this help you? Basically, these are done for you campaigns, so all you have to do is send traffic to these bonus pages, and basically we'll do all the selling for you. So we're gonna give you, or we are gonna do the selling for you. All you have to do is include your affiliate link inside the bonus page and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to collect commissions. So once you create your micro niche website, you can include these links to these done for you campaigns, and you will start receiving commissions 24/7 365 on autopilot. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you access to Insurgency. Now, Insurgency is a course launched by John O. Armstrong showing you how to run Facebook ads. This is really crucial if you want to grow your business. You have to learn how to run Facebook ads, and I'm showing you this as my second bonus, so you'll be able to run these Facebook ads to your micro niche website. You can send people to an article promoting something and you'll be able to collect commissions. It's as easy as that. Bonus number 3, I'm gonna give you access to Take It Pro. Now, Take It is a software launched by Brendan Mace. I think it's still selling for like $67. You're gonna get it for free as my third bonus. Now, this software will allow you to hijack any web page on the internet. So for example, if you want to hijack my web page right here, you take the link, you go to the software, it will clone the exact page, and you can add a call to action, you can add the email opt-in, you can add whatever you want to my page. So what it does, it hijacks other people's pages. It's not gonna hijack the traffic, it's just gonna take the page, and you can add certain things. You can add banners, you can add call to actions on the side, you can collect leads, you can do whatever you want with this. This is really amazing. I'm giving you this as my third bonus. Again, this is still selling for $67. You're gonna get it for free if you pick up Thriive through my link. Bonus number 4, I'm gonna give you a hack, or I'm gonna show you a hack on how to siphon traffic from Instagram influencers. Now, Instagram influencers are super cheap. You can get a shout out or a story shout out from an account that has over 600,000 followers for literally 50 bucks, which is really cheap. If you try to run Facebook ads or Google ads to any web page or any offer, how much do you need to spend to get 600 eyeballs onto your offer? I think it's like $6,000 or something. You can do that for 50 bucks using Instagram influencers. Bonus number 5, you're gonna get access to all my vendor bonuses. These are the bonuses that the vendor gave to me to give to you. Here we go. So here are the vendors bonuses. We have pro reviews, magna traffic, viral feeds, spice, vSource, Vitskippy2, eCompare, FlipMe, Hookem, WordPress, Ultra Pop, and so on and so forth. Feel free to pause the video. We have over 18 bonuses that you're gonna get from the vendor. You also get my bonuses if you happen to pick up Thriive through my link. Please excuse my English. For some reason I can't speak English today. Now, before I go into the sales page, I'm gonna leave you guys with a demo video by the vendor. Then we'll come back and talk about the claims made by the vendor inside the sales page, and we'll wrap up with some pricing and upsells. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace out.
We call Thriive a microsystem software because essentially that's what it does. It enables you to locate hidden and trending audiences, the kind of audiences that pretty much nobody else knows about. They have very little competition. The software allows you to discover those audiences and then create a micro super business around that audience. Now, some of these audiences last forever, some of them don't. But the beauty of this system is that you can do it in record time. Like I said, many of these audiences are completely underserved. Very few people know about them, so the competition is very low, which means you can rank, you can acquire organic traffic, and of course with Thriive, you can use the syndication. So let me take you through the steps quickly. First of all, it's about dropping in a keyword. So you drop in a keyword, you can find the hidden audiences. Best way of doing that is to look for what's trending right now based on the idea that you had originally. So you can see here that these audiences are trending up. You pick one of the audiences and then you create a mini site around that audience. So you find the audience, you create a microsite, Thriive hosts it for you, and then with Thriive you generate the content. Now the content is used to attract and target your audience. And then once you have that content and once you have that audience clicking through to your hub, then you can convert those visitors into profit. So just to recap, Thriive will allow you to find hidden audiences. Some of these are evergreen and they can generate results for months, even years. There's little to no competition in some of these sectors. Once you find the audience that you want to use, simply create your microsystem hub, which targets the audience, then monetize, and then send the traffic with syndication. And syndication is just a start. As you can imagine, because of the low competition in most of these sectors, then your hubs will start to rank very quickly without any work on your part.
Hey guys, welcome back to the review. So let's take a look at the claims made by the vendor inside the sales page. Simple Micro System makes $123,936 in 6 months from massive hidden audiences, revealed hidden low competition audiences, responsible for massive evergreen results, perfect for newbies, no experience required, no additional cost. We have instant access to Thriive microsystem software, cloud-based software, perfect for newbies, reveals profitable hidden audiences in minutes, built-in profitable audience potential verification, works with any device, multiple income streams, minimal to zero work, training and support included, evergreen and 90% passive system, no additional costs, you pay once, you get ongoing access. So here we have some proof of the commissions they made using the software. Here we have the steps that you need to do. We have some more income proof here. We have some more details about the product. So I'm not gonna go through the full sales page. Please check it out at your own time. We have testimonials. We have the bonuses and all that. details included inside the sales page. Feel free to go through it at your own time. Now let's jump right into the pricing and upsells. Everything you just saw inside the front end, inside the demo video, it's gonna cost you $16.93. Now be aware that this is gonna go up to $23 once the launch is over. Now once you'll be viewing this video, this product will be already live, so you can go pick it up for the best price possible. Upsell number one is going to be the pro version for $67. You get to create 3 sites, so you get additional targeted niches. You get syndication, so you get to syndicate your content. You get to create Amazon shops within your site. You get to unlimited content generation, so you get to generate unlimited content. We have addition, discover and repurpose targeted PLR content. CNAME mapping, you can add your own domain. So this is really useful, but for $67, I think if you have the money, if you are willing to invest in this, because this could potentially make you thousands of dollars if you know how to use it right. If you have the extra $70, I would advise you to go for this, but if you don't have the money, then definitely skip this one. This is not a requirement, but it could save you a lot of time since you can add your own domain. You get 3 sites, so you get triple the chance to making the commissions, and you get to create Amazon shops. So you are getting a ton of value inside the upsell number one. I would advise you to go for this if you have the extra $70. If you don't, that's okay. The front end is sufficient. Upsell number two is gonna be it should say something else here. So it should say Thriive. I forgot the name. I'm gonna edit this as soon as this video is over. So the upsell number 2 is the gold. So the gold is gonna cost you $47. You're gonna get 10 site creations. So rather than getting 3 in the upsell number 1, you get 10, and it's gonna cost you $47. And you basically get the same features, plus you get the automation features, which auto builds niche targeted stores via your own Amazon/eBay API key. So this is really cool actually for $47. Let me just change this real quick and come back to you guys. So welcome back, guys. As you can see, I changed this. Upsell number 2 is the Thriive Gold, like I said, for $47. I would highly advise you to go for this. It's like an extra $50, so definitely skip the upsell number 1. Go straight to the upsell number 2. It's worth it. I don't know if they include your own domain, so you can add your own custom domain, but this is a no-brainer for $47. So if you have the money, definitely go for this. If you don't, it's okay. The front end is sufficient. Upsell number 3 is going to be the instant traffic for $97. You get to add your own pixel to their sales pages. If you don't know what pixel is, definitely don't consider picking up the upsell number 3. If you know what pixel is and you know the massive potential right here, you can retarget all these visitors or all these buyers that are coming to their sales pages for just $97. So let's say, just for an example, they get 20,000 visitors to their sales page, and you get to collect all these buyers onto your pixel. So what you can do is you can retarget over 20,000 visitors for as low as $97. Now, if you try to get 20,000 buyers onto your email list, how much will that cost you? Anywhere from $2,000 up to $5,000, which is insane. Here you are getting to put your pixel onto their sales pages for just $97, and you get your laser targeted audience. So I would highly recommend you to go for this if you have the extra $100. If you don't know what pixel is, don't even consider the upsell number 3. Upsell number 4 is going to be the agency unlimited for $67. So you get to sell Thriive as your own and make 100% commission throughout the full funnel. That's basically it. Plus you get 2 traffic trainings and full suite on done for you affiliate tools. So they include all the JV docs and JV tools to you. They are gonna give it to you as well. All this for $67. Upsell number 5. Now I'm not gonna recommend the upsell number 4 because you actually need to be an established affiliate and making at least $2,000 per promo in order for you to go ahead and invest in something like this. Upsell number 5 is gonna be the Thriive 1K week version 3 for $127. You get 7 products. You can resell them as your own. You get done for you training. You get a lot of benefits right here, but I think it's overpriced, so definitely skip the upsell number 5. So thanks for watching my review video. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.